Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Choose fresh baby spinach and remove stems. Buy organic when possible to reduce pesticide exposure and heavy metals. For a 7-month-old baby, plan on using 1/2 cup to 1 cup of packed leaves to yield 3 to 4 servings of puree. Wash spinach thoroughly under cold running water for at least 30 seconds per leaf bundle, agitating to remove grit and sand. If leaves are particularly sandy, soak in a bowl of cold water for 5 minutes and lift out to prevent recontamination. Steam spinach for 2 to 3 minutes until fully wilted and bright green. This preserves most folate and iron while reducing nitrate content. Transfer leaves to a bowl and cool for 2 minutes, then puree with 2 to 3 tablespoons of breast milk, formula, or cooled, boiled water to achieve a smooth, swallowable consistency. Test temperature before serving. Do not add salt, sugar, honey, cow milk, or seasonings. Avoid lumps or fibrous stems that could pose a choking hazard for a 7-month-old. Store spinach puree in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 48 hours or freeze in 1-ounce ice cube trays for about 1 month to preserve freshness and nutrients. To serve frozen portions, reheat until steaming hot, then cool to body temperature, stir well, and test before feeding. Always introduce spinach as a single ingredient puree and wait 3 to 5 days between new foods to monitor for allergic reactions or digestive changes. Consult your pediatrician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.